In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you, yes you, how to make stunning water that looks like this. Let's get right into it. So I'm in the default third person template, and the first thing we're going to have to do is enable water and water advanced. Restart your engine. So now that shaders have recompiled, we have to add an entry to default engine, close everything out. We will create a new open world and call it whatever you want. And now what we need is a ocean. Drag it in, create a new water layer, and yeah, now we have a basic ocean. We will then drag the player start to the coast, and now we have the basics down. So we will now grab the material, drag the material, copy it, and now we will change the absorption to like what color do you want. I will just change the alpha to 19, and don't forget to rename your material. And one of the last things we do is find your new material. Is this one from content? It looks like it. So now you can see that the water is a bit more see-through, and then we just enable shallow water subsystem. One last thing, you have to change the collision to water body. So yeah, now you got water.